India is a land of diversity. At LPU, Bharat comes alive through its students. These are the faces of Bharat at LPU.
Chhattisgarh sable badhiya. This is a land where the rhythm industry blends with the calm of untouched forests. A place where strength is built not just in factories, but in the spirit of its people. And now carrying that same spirit with me, I begin my next chapter at lovely professional university. Hi, I'm Sreejan, a BCA student from Chhattisgarh studying at lovely professional university. When I first arrived at LPU, it felt like stepping into a space where ideas were constantly evolving. A campus filled with diverse minds, cultures, and dreams. Life on campus made their journey even smoother. Comfortable hostels, a supportive environment, and a space that felt like second home helped me focus, adapt, and move forward with confidence. With the Edu Revolution, students generate revenue during their academic journey, enabling them to fund their own education. And when you see students achieving remarkable placement and stepping into global organizations, you realize this is a place where ambition is supported and potential is truly recognized. Chhattisgarh will always be the place that built my foundation, but LPU is where that foundation is turning into a future. Many students from Chhattisgarh are already here, learning, growing, and creating their own paths. And to everyone back home, तुम्हार जर्नी घलो यहाँ ले शुरू हो सकता